Our title is Enhancing Food Business Efficiency with a Smart POS System. Introduction. Chapter 1. So 1.1 Mobile Application with Database. Mobile POS allows for faster checkout times, which reduce waiting time and leaves customer more satisfied. It enables staff to receive transaction anywhere in the store, do away with dedicated checkout counters, and free up floor space. So, mobile POS, or point of sale, offers many benefits for businesses. First is faster checkouts. Mobile POS system allows for quicker transaction, reducing customer wait times and improving overall satisfaction. Next is real-time data. Mobile POS apps with integrated databases provide immediate access to sales data, inventory levels, and customer information, enabling informed business decisions. Next is 1.2 about system. Smart POS system is designed to help in fast food by automating sales and inventory management with real-time inventory tracking, automated sales logging, and direct database transaction. It helps reduce the error and enhances overall business operation. This system is built using PHP language and JavaScript, removing the need for an HTML-based interface. It communicates directly with the database, ensuring that every transaction instantly updates inventory levels. Also, this helps prevent overstocking and shortage, keeping stock amount accurate and minimize financial losses for fast food. This system is highly beneficial as it optimizes inventory control, increase transaction accurately, and improve operational efficiency. So, Smart POS system is designed especially for frozen food businesses to streamline their operation and improve efficiency. So this is how it works. So real-time inventory tracking. The system tracks inventory levels in real time, ensuring accurate stocks information. Second is direct database transaction. The system communicates directly with the database, ensuring that every transaction instantly updates inventory levels. Lastly is real-time insights. The system provides real-time data and insights, enabling frozen food owners to make informed decisions about inventory management, pricing, and promotion. Next is chapter 2.
The next is chapter 2. Um, 2.1 Data Dictionary. Data Dictionary, this will be the tables or the query and their how do you call it, field name, data types, and formats, field size, description, and example that shows on the table how the query or how the specific field name works. And the first one is ID, and the data type is int or integer, and the description is a unique number of ID, and the sample number is 1. And the name and next one is name is varchar, field size is 255, and the description is the name of the customer, and the example is Mike. And then the next one is customer customer integer, because it is a customer ID. In the example is one, one also. Next is item name, varchar 255, description, name of the item or products. Example is beef. Second is price, decimal, field size 2, 2 and 10 and 2. Price and description, price of the items or products. Example is 170 pesos or 170. Field name, quantity, data type, integer, description, count of the product. Example is 1. Next. And the next one is date. The data type is date. Data format, year, month, day, and then description is date. Example is 2025, um, February 2. February 2, date, the date is 11. Category, varchar, 255 category of the products. Example is frozen. And then description, varchar 255 if it is transport of or a shopping. Example is shopping. And the last one is amount. Data type decimal, page size 2, item and 2, the total amount of products. And then example is 170. Next. The next one is database design. This will be the code or query of the specific table. And the first table is customer. Uh, and their query is create table customer. And then the ID is the or the primary key, primary key. And then um, next one is orders. The the name of the table, and then the primary key is also ID, and then it has a customer ID, and item name, price, quantity, and decimal, and then also a date. And then next one is inventory. Um, the ID, the primary key is ID, and then it has a name and category, quantity, and also a date. Next, next one is expense, and the primary key is ID. Um, the name of the and those it has a name, and then expense category. Lastly, expense category has a description, category, date, and um, I think, and that's all. The next one is chapter 3. And also 2.3 pala is a component of the mobile phone or ERD is the um, connection of the tables, or how the tables connected to each other, or within or the how they um, connect, or how they work, and how the data will be passing through the table or database. That's 2 point. And then next is the features of the proposed system. This will be the home page of our system. And the frozen food PO system. This will be our the main hub for a managing business, or the um, the main hub of our system with a clean and straightforward layout, and this way users can easily navigate through its key features, and it has a button of order, and then inventory and expenses. Next, next is our our order management, inventory management pala. Um, an inventory management is this will be the stacks uh, or the system that the user can insert what will be the or um, our products, how many or what will we can also manage, and we can monitor our products quantities so that we know if it's out of stock or getting out of stock our products or our specific items. And then next one is will be the expense track. Expense track is this will be the expenses tracker um, or kung saan napupunta yung mga pera na nagagastos or ginagamit ng mga nag-inventory, and or in a simple term this will be the lag or log. Next,
Chapter 3, we're gonna explain to you the chapter 3 coding. In chapter 3, the chapter 3 is a feature of the jQuery. Advantage and feature of the jQuery mobile. jQuery mobile is a lightweight framework that designed for a building responsive and touch-friendly mobile web application. It simplified develop with the efficient DOM manipulation and ensure cross-browser and cross-device compatibility, providing a seamless experience across the smartphone and tablets. jQuery also helps to the user that system faster and more efficient and save more while using it well as for a development will create the mobile website. And the jQuery is a kind of it's like a JavaScript that already provide everything like CSS and JS for the and alignment of the system. Also, the jQuery help the system to make a friendly website. Example, if you create a website, it's also help the user more faster most more pass of the using. Next. So we go to the no, language JavaScript and PHP. The feature advantage of using JavaScript is a good language for developing interactive and user-friendly point of sale or POS system, especially for the web-based or hybrid application. JavaScript does a great job of creating dynamic and responsive user interface. This is important for a POS because user have a interact with manuscript, menus, product list, payment option, and more. JavaScript is one of the needed language if you making a website or mobile application because JavaScript has a system that if you click a button, it can show a this a show interaction and interaction and for the interaction and this use for the I mean ito yung ginagamit para pag if you use a system and make it faster. Next, feature of feature of language Java ito 3.2.2 feature and advantage of using PHP. Pre-built framework is as a Laravel or Symfony in the PHP speed up development, especially when it's pretty simple to have a POS system. It is open source and has a massive community. Tools free or low price resources are everywhere and development costs are dramatically minimized when no cost framework and hosting are used. A PHP is a language is like it's similar to the HTML that you don't need any other specific no. I mean it's similar the concept of the PHP to HTML but different variable and different they call what you call for example a head like that. PHP is needed if you're making a website or mobile application because PHP can be connected to the database. Um, I mean database is same to the other that you can connect, but PHP is more easy to use because PHP database and to connect to the MySQL. So that PHP is are more advantage to the other language in my opinion. Next.
Next is chapter 4, conclusion and recommendation. Conclusion. Smart point of sale, or in short, POS system, can significantly enhance restaurant operations by improving efficiently, reducing errors, and increasing customer um, satisfaction. It's helped business by tracking inventory and generating details report. Also, owners to focus on strategic planning and customer service. Additionally, in real time, insight in the inventory and sale trends enable better decision making and resource management. Next is recommendation sa mga future researcher. For future studies or researchers should be explore integrating advancing technology like data analysis, analytic and machine learning into a point of sale or POS system for improve business efficiently. By leveraging machine learning, business can better understanding customer reference and um, pushing behavior, leading to more more space inventory management and target marketing strategies. Additionally, sa um, integrating POS or point of sale system will other tools like supply chain and customer relationship management system and enhancing data flow